According to Cognitive Market Research, the global 3D printed wearables market size is $3,612.5 million in 2023 and will expand at a compound annual growth rate of 8.5% from 2023 to 2030. Market drivers: customization and personalization trends to provide viable market output. Market restraints: technological advancements in material innovation to propel market growth. Get to know about the competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more by requesting Sample Page's latest published market research copy.